In today's environment, people, they need to work on the right things. If you have 100 people working on the wrong things, you're wasting time and energy. And most of our clients, they want to know what's going to give me the biggest risk reduction for the least amount of money. And we're able to prove to our clients that we can save them hundreds of millions of dollars by following the science and the data that leads them to the best result.
A lot of what we do is how do we use analytics to prioritize the spend and maybe spend money over here and save it over here. Classic example is through recommendations. After every risk assessment, there is always a list of recommendations, these action items that we have to do after the risk assessment. And that's where the new money is being spent. And what part of our analytics does is helps them prioritize and in some cases eliminate recommendations that don't make the organization safer and focus it on the recommendations that matter.
So Riskalyze gives you the ability to be able to design things properly, safeguard things properly, and implement all those recommendations you need to implement. Because so many of those recommendations do not actually offer any value to complaints.
Because everybody has a finite amount of time and money and resources. So if we can deploy resources in just the right place to make the maximum impact on risk reduction and safety improvements, that's going to protect the people, that's going to protect the environment, that's going to protect the asset, and by extension the shareholders who've invested in that company. And it's a win for everybody.